Hello everyone! My name is Jill and I am an online tutor. And for today's video, let's talk about how to apply in Engoo 2021. Paano yun? How to apply in Engoo for the process of the year 2021. Okay? So before we start, let me just welcome my new viewers. So if bago ka dito sa channel ko, nag-upload ako ng mga online jobs and online teaching jobs. So don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and tap that bell notification button for you to be updated on my next video. So now let's begin. Are you ready? Then let's start. Alright, so actually, I already made a video on how to apply in Engoo, but that was last year. That was 2020 and it was 10 months ago na. Marami na rin mga updates regarding Engoo. So for today, let's discuss all about that. So unahin muna natin yung ano ba yung Engoo? What is Engoo? Next is, what are the requirements, what are the qualifications, and yung mga frequently asked questions all about Engoo. So, sana makatulong itong video na to. If you're looking for a job, then why not try to watch until the end of this video for you to learn more. And also, if you're planning to apply dito sa company na to, then I hope this video will help you to decide if you really want to pursue or not. But I really recommend you to try this company kasi dito ako nagtagal. Ito rin yung bread and butter ko kasi for now, I'm working from home. And it really helps me. It really gives me a sustainable to pay my bills and everything. So, pinakaunang tanong, how to apply dito sa Engoo? So, I'll be giving you two ways to apply. So, dalawang paraan para mag-apply kayo. Unang-una dyan is, you can apply on your own. You can apply directly. Second is, you apply with the help of my training. Alright? So, dito sa first way to apply, like applying on your own. So, ikaw mismo magre-research how to apply. Ikaw mismo ang you will do your own self-study, self-research, how to pass the language test, how to pass the demo lesson. Yung mga ganon. Ikaw mismo, sariling sikap. Pero, sa pangalawang way on how to apply sa Engoo, I will help you how to apply. I will give you tips. I will share some tips and best practices for you to pass and ace the application process dito sa Engoo. So this is highly recommendable, especially sa mga first-timers and beginners dito sa ESL teaching. Kasi alam ko, it's not easy. It's not easy to pass ESL jobs ngayon, ESL tutor position ngayon. Especially now that we are in the midst of pandemic. And a lot of people are applying as an ESL teacher. Merong iba na maraming experience at saka ikaw, first-timer ka, beginner ka, wala kang experience. So, nakaka-low ng self-esteem, nakaka-low ng self-confidence if you try to compare yourself. So, that's why I highly recommend you to attend this training talaga for you to be aware what you need to expect, for you to practice your communication skills, and for you to build your confidence dito sa pag-apply sa Engoo. Kasi I swear, ang hirap talagang mag-apply if first-timer beginner ka and then wala kang trainings, walang someone na pwedeng makapag-guide sa'yo. Eto, I want you, or I highly recommend, or I highly suggest you to take this opportunity to why not try or attend our training. Okay? So, dun sa first way on how to apply, so, ikaw na bahala dyan, sariling sikap mo yan to apply. Pero dito ako mag-focus sa second way, which is with the help of my training. So, dito sa training ko, I will be discussing what are the requirements, what are the qualifications, how to pass dito sa Engoo, how to pass sa language test, and how to pass sa demo lesson. Alright? So, yun lang. Yun lang yung isipin nyo. Pinakaunang tanong, how to apply in Engoo. Gusto mo ba yung first option na ikaw mismo mag-apply, self-study, self-research, or gusto mo yung pangalawang option na with the help of my training? If you chose the second option with the help of my training, then you can message me on my Facebook page. So, I link there sa description box yung link ng Facebook page ko, and also I'll put it here din para makita nyo and ma-research nyo rin. Okay? Alright. What is Engoo? Okay, so ano ba yung Engoo? So, let me give you a bit of idea para naman malaman nyo kung ano yung company na ina-applyan nyo, di ba? So, itong Engoo, this is a fun, empowering, and flexible language platform connecting students to tutors. So, this is one-on-one class. Wala itong group class. And ang one-on-one class nito is good for 25 minutes private English lessons. Pero yung students, they have the option to book you in 3 consecutive classes or 2 consecutive classes. Depende yan sa student mo. Pero I can assure you that dito sa Engoo, it's just one-on-one. Walang group class dito. Okay? Next. Dito sa Engoo, you can work full-time or part-time. Your students are international. Hindi lamang Asian, hindi lamang Japanese, Korean, Taiwanese. Kundi, there are also Brazilian students, Portuguese students, European students. So, worldwide tayo dito, international students. Okay? Next is, ang mga students dito have different level. We have beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So, hindi lamang puros bata, hindi lamang mga teenagers, and hindi lamang mga adults, kundi all of the levels. Beginners, intermediate, and advanced. Next, we have different age group. Again, from elementary to adult. And there's no minimum teaching hours. So, ito yung kinagaganda ng Engoo kasi wala siyang required na minimum teaching hours na, uy, kailangan ka dito 3 hours mag-open ka a day, ganyan, ganyan. Wala siyang ganyan. It's really up to you kung kailan ka mag-open ng slot or kung kailan ka magka-klase. So, it's like you own your time, you control your time, you are the boss. Ikaw yung nagmamanage sa time mo. So, yun yung ikinagaganda talaga dito sa Engoo. And yun din yung gustong-gusto ko. Kasi I can manage my own time. Next is, the slots are open for 24/7. So, open yung slots 24/7. Depende na yan sa'yo kung anong oras ka mag-o-open ng classes. Okay? Pwede ka graveyard if you are nocturnal. Pwede ka rin pang-umaga if you are a morning person. So, depende yan sa'yo kung kailan yung vacant time mo. So, this is the best, especially for moms out there. If you are mothers and you have kids na kailangan bantayan or toddlers na kailangan bantayan, then you can just open classes kung kailan tulog yung bata nyo or yung babies nyo. And this is also good for part-timers, especially yung mga may day job dyan. You can actually open at night lang. Hindi necessary mag-open in the morning. So again, it's really up to you kung kailan ka mag-open ng slots. Next, 24/7 real-time support. So, we have tutor support. Ang tawag dito is tutor support kung if you have encountered any problems sa lesson room or sa lesson page, or if you want to report something, or if you want to cancel your classes, ganyan, you have someone to talk with na, hey team, I would like to cancel this class, I would like to report this class, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. So, we have back of house team who will support us 24/7. So, kung ano yung kailangan mo kahit madaling araw, magre-reply at magre-reply ang Engoo team. Kasi 24/7 yung support nila. Okay? Next is, salary is credited twice a month. So, 15 and 30th. And it is credited via GCash. Okay, so ito yung isa na na-update. Before kasi, it is really mandatory to open BPI account. Kasi doon ihuhulog ang sweldo mo. Pero now, nag-change sila from BPI, nag-change into GCash. So, for all tutors like me, BPI pa rin kami. Pero sa mga bagong tutors, then your salary will be credited via GCash na. So, you don't need to go to the bank, unlike sa amin before. Okay, so next is the salary. So, ang salary natin dito is fixed rate. So, per 25 minutes, you'll be getting 60 pesos. And for 55 minutes, you'll be getting 120 pesos. So, depende na yan kung how many slots you are willing to open, then that's the money that you will also earn. Next is guaranteed booking rate incentive. So, dito sa Engoo, if you have conducted 100 classes in one cut-off, then you'll be getting an additional of 500 pesos. So, ganyan yung parang incentive niya. Materials are provided. So, again, dito sa Engoo, yung lesson materials, hindi ka na pwedeng mamroblema pa kasi provided na yan ng company. And next is own teaching platform. So, we have our own teaching platform. Hindi siya via Skype, hindi siya via Zoom. Kundi, we have our own teaching platform. We have our own website na dun tayo magka-class with our student. Next, this Engoo, this company is a booking system. But I can guarantee you na marami talagang students dito sa Engoo. Like, swear, if you are a new teacher and you're watching this, para malaman nyo kung paano makakuha ng students, then I swear, don't worry kahit bagong teacher ka kasi masyashock ka na lang, baka ma-fully book ka dyan. So, be aware in opening slots. Make sure na you can attend that class kasi you don't know ang daming magpapareserve sa'yo. Na-experience ko na din yan before when I was still a new teacher. Akala ko walang magbubook, akala ko matumal ako kasi bago akong teacher. Pero no, nagkamali ka dyan. If you open slots, like many slots, kasi you are thinking na, baka walang magbook nito, ganyan. So, huwag kayong maging kumpiyansa kasi baka ma-shock ka na lang, maubusan ka ng laway dahil sa daming nag-book sa'yo. Okay? So, that's it. That is all about Engoo. So, I hope that answers your question. Ano ba itong Engoo? Ano ba yan? Ganyan. Alright? Okay. So, next question is, what are the requirements for you to apply dito sa Engoo?